We're on the hunt. Bang, bang. It's trash pickup day. That's it. There was a storm last night, broke a lot of trash free, and we're getting a lot of free floaters down the river. Time to get to work.
We know that picking up garbage isn't really must-see TV. Give us minutes. Let us know in the comments below how good we did. Thanks for watching.
What do we got? Uh-oh. 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 Stern it is. Stern it is.
All right.
Got it?
Kinda.
Help?
Yeah. We're gonna tag team this one.
I feel like I'm gonna ruin it. No, 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 no. No, 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 God. Longer. Oh, yeah! We're alive. We're alive. Okay. No. No, keep grabbing yours. There we go. Yeah!
First piece of the day.
Bang, bang.
Is that another? To the stern!
You need help?
Nah, I got it.
Right.
2 pieces.
Onward!
Oh!
Now you gotta spray that sweet fragrance, the aroma of the Clinton steak by the Clinton.
Say stank.
Yeah. I had it right for that tree. This one's gonna be crazy.
Use the new tool.
Oh, got it.
There we go. Much easier.
Kind of takes the sport out of it.
I gotta put the boat into a bad spot.
Very.
Ooh. This guy's I don't think it's gonna work. Let me drive the boat like up and around, and then we'll slam into it on the side right over there. Is that a good plan or a bad one?
I didn't really listen.
Let me get an action shot here. Oh, quick! I know, I'm trying. Ah, I got a spider web in the face. Oh, bottle. Oh, more bottle. Oh, I gotta get out of here.
All right, clean.
To the next spot. Got a football.
This is aggressive. Oh God, this is bad. I gotta go give it gas. Yeah, the current's strong. Got it?
I got a Gatorade bottle and something else. The net doesn't work too great when there's sticks around.
No, it sucks because I'm trying to film and steer at the same time while Coots is wrestling.
Oh, don't rip.
Oh yeah, there we go.
No!
We gotta get out of here. Oh, the orange ball. What is this?
It's a bobber.
Bobber, okay. To the fishing kit. Oh, I'm scared. Oh God, the current's taking us. New camera. Might be a little safer. What do we got?
Pint shooter. Got a buttload of styrofoam. Oh, don't take our camera!
Oh no, bad idea. There's a bottle over here in the jungle. Oh, there's a few. It's hard to get that thingy in there. Oh, look at this one. Through the legs. Eat that, Pete Sampras. I was like, where'd you go? Man, I hope there's itchy stuff or spiders in here.
I checked, it's spider free.
All right, I think we're good. Let's get out of here. Dude, this current is
Coming for you.
watch out for that stick about to get you. Nice. Oh, look at that. Can you give us a push? Use the big pole that's behind you. Oh, that was our belt. Oh no, it broke. Oh no.
Just need a
Screw nut.
Oh boy. Bang bang.
Today we're going out to clean up trash in the river because we don't really like hanging out in the dump. No one is driving the boat.
We did it. We found the bravest turtle on the river.
Oh, don't worry, buddy. We're cleaning up your yard.
Let's get some claws. I think these ones are the best. They have the most power. Feel that? Snappy. Super snappy.
How much stuff is here?
Lots of stuff. We got a bottle, foam. Oh yeah, lots of stuff. More Nerf darts. Nerf darts are a big culprit. There's a big piece of foam. Got a nice bottle. Packing peanuts. We're collecting it all. What do you got? That's some yumminess.
Coffee cup, shooter.
There's a big old one. More. I think this is pretty good.
We got a lawn chair, which is great. Mark's wife loves when we add to her collection of those.
Just do your thing. The best thing about Coots is he gets down and dirty.
Oh, it's got mud all over it.
Oh yeah. Well, that's gonna be comfy.
You're welcome, Lauren.
It doesn't look broken. That's a good find.
Oh yeah.
Papa squat, dude.
That's all you. There's our baby wipes.
We have a full array of cleaning products. Napkins, baby wipes, vegetable oil, and things that kind of crazy.
Bang bang.
Oh, a big piece of foam. Oh yeah, that's a championship belt. Oh, there's a bottle right there. I see him hiding. He's pinned under that little branch. We gotta save him. There we go. Nice grab. We found where the bottles are hanging out. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, and a cup. I'm gonna get it.
Oh, you son of a...
Pina chicken dinner. You can grab those ones. I'll try and grab this.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. We're polite here on Money Pit Boating. I kind of want to jump, but that's just straight mud.
I think you'd be good.
Ooh, tag team effort. You scoop, I score. Oh God, that's closer than I thought it was. Ooh, boom, bonus. Up, Nerf dart. What was that lady in the tramp? You got that cup over there. Watch out, there. Koontz is a bushman. There we go. Oh, oh God, this is. Oh my God. Ah, there we go. Oh, oh, there's one more. Close that bag up. Seal with a soccer ball. Oh, one goopy bag. Do that. We can throw some of this garbage in here too. Nasty stuff. Ugh. Blah, 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 blah. First piece, second bag. Boom. We got one bag so far. How many of these things can we get? We just spotted this bag. Oh, look on the other side. There's a gold mine. Gold. There's a tree that looks like an automated thing at a ride.
The animatronic.
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
I don't know. That's not really a good place to approach this.
Ooh. What Cooch just said was right. Ooh. No trash is safe. We just heard the weirdest noise on here.
Oh, it's probably a tree we're dragging.
We're dragging a tree? Oh my God.
That's the animatronic. Get another Cooch ball.
There we go. Oh yeah, there's a lot of garbage over there. Scoop.
Go!
No. 2-0. Oh, look at the new angle. Oh. You stuck your hand in the poop. Oh, I didn't realize. Like 2 feet away from my head is just spider webs everywhere. Ugh. Oh God. What's that? Is that a spider? Ugh. Ugh. I'm out of here. We had a spider sympathizer in our comments. Kind of maniacs are watching our videos. Is that everything?
That'll do. On to the next one.
Yep. Don't get whipped by the tree. Like that. I wouldn't stand there, man.
That makes it exciting.
Jeez. That's a branch with all the spider webs. Oh, there's a spider like right by your hand. Crazy.
Coming up to the split in the river. Both branches meet up. Trash gathers up, so we're just gonna wait for the trash to come to us. All right, that idea was dumb. It didn't work.
What do we have here?
Oh, yeah.
If that doesn't fit the boat, I don't know what does.
There we go.
Why would you want to walk on that? Imagine bare feet.
Oh, it's wonderful. First casualty of the day.
Cheap shit.
Bang, bang. We remembered a big treasure that we're gonna try to haul out. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Piece of steel rebar, that should hold.
So this is it.
Look at this hunk of treasure.
You think it's like an old water heater or something? All right, have at it.
Can't wait to see how Mark gets it.
I'm blocking the wind for you so you don't.
Oh! Hell no. All right, yep. Segment complete.
Oh, that moved. See?
Oh, it's got some water. Whoa!
We're getting that thing. Go from it right here. Oh yeah. Give it a couple of wobbles maybe. Does it appear to be super heavy?
Yeah. And it's got a piece of steel rebar.
That's a tree.
It don't be.
That's a tree.
It's a metal tree.
That's a metal tree. Yeah, that thing's heavy as hell. The only reason why we're kind of lifting it is because it's in water. The second we get that thing into air, ooh, foam. I think we cannot get this. We tried. As you guys well know, we're failures.
Bang, bang. We got a new target destination, but we got a little bit of trip before we get there. So first, we're gonna load up on some red hot beef.
Hot beef! Get your hot beef!
Ooh.
Two saggy ass burritos. We interrupt this hot beef moment to make a quick little drop off here. Watch this branch coming through. Ta-da! Back to the hot beef.
Back to the hot beef. Oh, it's so hot.
Guys, hot beef is where it's at. I'm dead serious.
Coming up on Goose Shit Island, the island made out of 90% goose shit. We always find a big collection of trash here. Today we're going to try to hit up some of the hot spots and maybe even some new areas that we haven't hit up before.
I jumped out here testing the mud. It failed. Now there's no way I can get back on without getting super sloppy.
That should hold us.
You want to get me the ladder? That would be awesome if you just left me here.
I've been thinking about it.
Thank you. Please don't break.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God. There we go. There's a huge spider on these waders. Dude, it was like a whopper, man. Thing was huge. I'm not sticking my feet in there. Man, no way. I just ran out of here so fast. It stands with you. There he is. Ah!
Where?
Right on the side there. Shut up. He's big, man. Yeah. He gets so much joy out of my chair.
Shut up!
Shut up. Have fun putting your waders on. If there's one, there's 1,000. Having second thoughts?
Like they just fall out.
Like you're gonna shoot at it!
I can't wait to hear my noise on camera. Like, oh, it's so deep. This is a side that we normally don't hit up because it's so shallow. Oh my God, quicksand. I hear the drone. There he is. All this land here is built up over the last like 2 or 3 years. But it also looks like a place that's been collecting trash. Can he do the double? Can he do the double? He can. Oh yeah. Michelob. I expected there to be a lot more trash, but I think the storm has swept it all away. This little booger thought he could hide from me. Not from me. Deer, right? Let me know, hunters.
That's a deer. That is a deer hoof print.
Mark got me out here looking like I'm doing community service. Got another double grab. Guess what I just saw? If you guessed trash, you were right. Double grab, triple grab. Gotta catch them all.
What is this?
I know what this is.
Now I look really cool.
Let's take the other way back around. I don't think so, trash. Ha! Double!
What have we here? Tire or boa constrictor skin.
Got it! Trash time in the city. Trash time, cause people are shitty. Go! What is this? One more thing. Ugh, jam-packed bucket. Oh, cripes, I just dropped everything. Go! Oh, that one's done.
Oh no.
I dropped one.
I know, I see it. Oh yeah, scoop and score. Nice work. Frisbee. I'm taping you, you're taping me. Going back for more? Oh, we gotta get the orange, there it is.
There we go. Boom.
We're idiots.
A couple of bags of trash collected by a couple of trash bags. Not bad for a day's work.
Click on our other videos, please.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bang, bang.